Hello everyone, welcome back to the official YouTube channel of Made Easy. So today I am here again with you to share an important update regarding an opportunity to undergo apprenticeship training in NLC Limited. Okay, तो अगर हम period of apprenticeship training की बात करें तो that will be of 1 year. Okay, coming to the number of training slots and stipend. So for diploma technician apprentices, number of training slots are 3 for fire and safety engineering. It will be 15 for electrical engineering, 15 for mechanical engineering, 2 are for civil engineering, 5 for mining engineering, 2 for mine surveying. Okay, so period of training will be of 1 year and the stipend per month will be 12,524. Okay, coming to the graduate engineering apprentices, तो जो number of training slots हैं, they are 2 for chemical engineering, 8 for electrical engineering, 10 for mechanical engineering, 4 for civil engineering, 2 for fire and safety engineering and 5 for mining engineering. Same, the period of training will be of 1 year and the stipend per month will be 15,028 rupees. Okay. So moving forward, if we'll talk about the minimum education qualification, so for technician diploma holders apprentices, जो minimum qualification required है वो है full time diploma in engineering or technology. Okay, for graduate engineering apprentices, जो education qualification required है that is full time degree in engineering or technology. Okay. अगर हम अदर एलिजिबिलिटी रिक्वायरमेंट्स की बात करें तो मिनिमम एज लिमिट जो है वो आपका 18 ईयर्स होना चाहिए. मैक्सिमम एज शुड नॉट हैव कंप्लीटेड 35 years of age. Okay, candidate should have passed the qualifying exam in the following years, that is 2020, 21, 22, 23 and 24. Okay, candidates belonging to the state of Rajasthan are only eligible for this post. Okay, candidates should not have undergone or presently undergoing apprenticeship training in NLC India Limited. Okay, and the last one is candidates should not have experience of 1 year or more in any of the job. Okay, अगर हम बात करें मेथड ऑफ सिलेक्शन की तो सिलेक्शन विल बी प्योरली बेस्ड ऑन द परसेंटेज एंड टोटल मार्क्स स्कोर्ड बाय इन द रेलेवेंट एग्जामिनेशन, दैट इज डिप्लोमा और बीई बीटेक. ओके, सो द लास्ट डेट फॉर अप्लाइंग फॉर दिस फॉर्म is 23/6/2024. You must note this and you should be ready with the following documents before applying this post. So students, once again note down this important date, that is last date of online registration of application is 23/6/2024. So students, apply now and all the best.